Hello everyone, I'm Arfi Aligato. I want to share about the movie entitled Warm Bodies. This movie is so beautiful because it can relate to our millennials just like me or us. So first, the main character of this is a half zombie and half human. His name is R. So R is caring to her loved one. He is a good guy or a good zombie. Do anything for her loved one. So who is their name? One name or of her loved one named Julie. Also in this movie, have a good zombie and bad zombie. Good bones because they all skull, but this movie have a conflict when the times that the bones don't agree that fall in love with the human in this movie. Start at when enter the place of the zombie is the daughter of a chairman who managed the save of the other alive human. After a few minutes, R and Julie was meet each other of this. And this is the time that R was fall in love with Julie. Even if he want to eat her, but he doesn't do because he don't want that Julie was dead. The other member of Julie who entered the place of zombie was going to the other area after a few days. R know that if Julie was still in there, she will not be safe because one of the other zombies smells her as a human blood. Everyone will eat her, so R put a zombie blood to Julie's face so that the other zombie will not smell her a human blood. And R was telling Julie that stay at the airplane because she will not be safe there. Julie was so many asked to R what his name, why he do this, but R was answered R because he cannot speak well. That's why R is his name. At the middle of the story, R and Julie was fall in love with each other. And that is the time that Julie was discovered that R was not totally a zombie. They do anything so that R would not kill by the arm of Julie's father. When the time that Julie was need to go home, the good zombie was helping R and Julie because they are also really feel how they feel. But this is also the time that the Bonies begin begging them, but they are successful to pass them, so that the ending of the story R was pointed a gun by the arm of Julie's father. This is the time that R is truly a human because R was bleeding after a year. R and Julie was starting a new beginning. The moral lesson of this story: don't give up for your loved one. Just fight together even though you sacrifice yourself, and also don't judge the people. And as we said, don't judge the people by its cover. And once again, I'm Arfi Aligato. Thank you and God bless.